Nice and easy. Don't
Let him sit there,
looking
Pop.
at the front.
Pop, change seats with
The
him.
other way now. Don't
Change
pose.
seats
You
with
don't
him.
want to hit this boat. You want to go that way. You want to stay in the middle, okay? Just keep your eyes out there.
Change seats with him, Pop. So it's easier for him to steer.
All right, hold on.
Andrew, you sit in
Hold on.
front of the steering wheel.
Stand up.
Poppy's gonna help you.
Okay. Okay. Now hold on. Okay. No, I think you leave it right there and just pay attention to where you're going. Well, all you want to do, go wherever you want to go, but just don't hit anything.
What a day. Perfect day. Wow, you're really steering this boat.
Yeah.
All by yourself. You're a captain.